Hi guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to restore disabled iPad using Power Rescue. Get this app by visiting www.apowersoft.com/iphone-data-recovery. From this page, download the program and install it on your computer. Once installed, run the program and connect your iPad to PC through a lightning cable. From the main interface of the program, you will be able to see all file types you can recover from your iPad. Check the files you want to restore or check Select All to retrieve all your data from your device. Next, click Start Scan and let the tool analyze your iPad. Check the files you wish to restore on the preview area. Afterwards, click Recover to Computer once you're done choosing files. Finally, select the folder wherein you want to save your data. Once done, click Open Folder to view files, or click OK to close the notification. And that's how to restore disabled iPad. Thank you for watching!